Hey guys, alright, so here's where we're at so far. As you can see, I have the interior completely torn apart. Turns out the 9701 Jeep Wrangler pedals assembly does not fit, so I'm going to go to plan B. I'm going to bolt this back up into place, and then I'm going to order Lowbuck Garage's clutch pedal assembly adapter, and that'll plug right in, and that'll take a few days to get here. But in the meantime, as you can see, I've gone ahead and I pulled the carpet up, I've unbolted the seats, I've moved them back, and then now we've got access to the transmission with the cover off. There's the plate right there. And I've already gone ahead, I've started unhooking things like the this is the four-wheel drive indicator, which mode you're in. This is your speedometer here. So those have already been unhooked, along with the transfer case, shift lever down here. That's been unhooked. My plan is to use the Dakota four-wheel drive mechanism because it actually does not require the body support like the ZJ does. So there's nothing holding it to the body. There's no pivot point. Instead, it just mounts to the transmission and it's a done deal. So on that note, guys, this is as far as I'm going to get tonight. I got to get that pedal assembly ordered, but I hope this helps. Just for the record, the seats are held in with 4 13mm bolts, and then the plate here has about 10 8mm bolts. There's one that's hidden behind the rear floorboard heat tube. So if you push this down and detach it from the end over there, you'll get access to that other bolt. So on that note, guys, I will update you with more information once I get that pedal assembly in. Talk to you soon. Bye.